Been getting high off the weed my main man supplies. When will I be the next MC to rise to the top? I'll never know, but for right now I'll be kicking it here. This is my pattern, my plan. Let the words begin to flood the page, and if I make it, my Australian people will flood the stage. But for right now I'll just mellow out and kick back on the couch. So just chillax and let the beat take you back to the days when people got paid from the dole, would spend the whole pay in alcohol. The liquid that smooths the soul. Get a few girls up on the pole, spread their legs, lick 'em from head to toe. And you know, I can't get enough of this flow. I could go all year, I'm Incredible Hulk. Just one flex and I'll put the world to a halt. Check it out, we're killing on the mic, mate.
Cheer bunch.